little artists! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw something very special for Christmas.
Yay!
A Christmas sock full of candies.
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
Let's take our black marker first. Now, start by drawing the shape of a sock. Just like the one we wear in winter, but bigger and cuter. Perfect! Now, let's make it look festive. Add some wavy lines, straight lines, and circle patterns across the sock. Let's also draw some cute snowflakes at the bottom. Wow, it's already looking so Christmassy. Next, draw a ribbon on one side of the sock. Make 2 loops and long tails. It looks so cute. Great job. Now let's fill our sock with some treats. Draw a candy cane, a lollipop, and some wrapped candies sticking out from the top. Yum! Looks delicious and fun! Nice job, everyone! Our Christmas sock drawing is complete. Now, let's make the outline bold and sharp to make the artwork pop. Looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it's time to color. Grab your color pens. We'll make it bright and cheerful. Say the colors with me. Red color.
Wow!
Yellow color. Blue color. Purple color. Pink color. Gray color. Light yellow color. Wow, it looks so festive and beautiful! Amazing work, little artists! You've just learned how to draw a Christmas sock full of candies. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more fun drawing videos.
Yay!
See you next time. Bye-bye!
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.